Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to cook a chicken teriyaki meal. It's very easy, it's straightforward. It does require about 30 to 40 minutes of prep. What you're gonna need for this meal is 3 to 4 pounds of chicken breast, 1 whole white onion, 1 can of cut up pineapples. This is my favorite, Campbell's oven teriyaki sauce, and 5 peppers. I like color variation, but you can do it however you like. A little bit about me: working mom, very busy, love to eat, hate to cook, so I try to find any shortcut that I can. Okay, so everything's prepped. Here we go. So I have my 4 pounds of chicken breast, and we're gonna add up all the onions that were already previously diced up. So we're just gonna put these all over here so they don't burn. So you do wanna do it in this order, because I found that if you don't do it in this order, if you put the glaze on top last, things don't cook evenly. So this is just my personal preference, but you can do it however you would want to do it. So we're gonna add these in. Again, you can add your own variations of onions. If you don't like them, take them out. You can do really whatever you want to do. This is just my dish and I'm sharing it with you guys. Awesome. So that's done. So next we're gonna add the diced pineapples. Next, we're gonna add this Campbell's Glaze, which is really, really good. It's cheap. It's actually really low in calories too. I'm very health conscious. I'm a runner. I love to run. I run 8 miles a day. And like I said, I love to eat. So I always try to pick things that I can eat a lot of, that are healthy, low in calories, or nutritionally dense. Instead of eating like a whole cheesesteak, I honestly could eat 4 pieces of this chicken, bam, like that. But it's healthy. So we're gonna add this in. Just want to try to spread it evenly if you can. I'm going to try to get it all, so you just want to try to get everything out in here. Okay. And then for the colors and to make it look pretty, we're just going to add some peppers in. Like I said, 5 total peppers. I did green, red, yellow, and orange, just for the color variation. You pick and choose what you like. I do go overboard on the vegetables because, like I said, big eater, love to eat. So I would prefer to pig out on healthy things than fattening things. Alright guys, and there you have it. Here's the chicken teriyaki meal. Again, 4 pounds of chicken breast, cut in half, 1 whole white onion, diced up however you like, the Campbell's teriyaki packet, 1 on top of that, 5 peppers. Again, you can add your own variation. This meal is extremely healthy. Alright guys, so now that we're finished, what we're going to do is we're going to pop this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for roughly an hour and 20 minutes. We're going to put aluminum foil over it, cover it, and ta-da, you are done. This meal will last me about 3 to 4 days. 4 days max. I don't eat chicken after 4 days, but 4 days. You can bring it for lunch to work. It's already prepped. It's already cooked. It's already good to go. It's delicious. It's healthy. Thank you much for following my page. I appreciate it and enjoy. I mean, you can also add white rice to this if you want as a side. Again, you can add whatever you want. This is just my meal. You can do it how you like. I personally add basmati rice. I don't put anything on it. I don't add butter or anything, but that's just me. So you do it how you like, and I hope you guys enjoy the meal. Thanks for watching. Alright, hey guys, we're back again. So we put it in for an hour and 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the food is ready. I'm starving, just got done my run, so let's check it out. This is gonna look amazing. It's my favorite part. Very hot. Ta-da! Look at this. And now it's time to eat. Okay. This looks so good. Now you have 4 prepped meals for this week. Maybe even more or less, depending on how much you eat. Like I said, I eat a lot, so this will last me about like 3 to 4 days, 3 to 4 meals, I'd say. So we have our vegetables, pineapples, onions, peppers are in here. And we have our chicken. Nice hearty pieces. Very, very hot. Okay. Perfect. Perfectly cooked. Soft, juicy, tender. Hands down one of my favorite meals. You guys have to try this recipe. It's so good. So easy, so good, so cool, so quick. Again, the prep time is where you're gonna spend the most time, but this is absolutely delicious. Okay, try it. Enjoy. So if you want to write in the comment what type of food you guys like, what your hobbies are, throw out anything. I don't care if it's related to the dish or not. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about me. Tell me what you like. Tell me what you dislike. Improvements, feedback, good and bad. And if you're somebody who's lucky with a fast metabolism, you maybe could add butter to this dish and salt. Me, I'm like dragging to stay the size I am, so I don't do stuff like that. But it sounds like a nice little dream.